Hello everyone, it's Robert back with another video. Today we're gonna find out what is better, a physical or a touchscreen keyboard. For this video I have two phones, iPhone 4S representing the touchscreens and Nokia E6 representing the physical keyboards. Keep in mind, we're not going to compare the phones nor their operating system, just the keyboards. Of course, the size and location of the keys is different in many phones. I thought the two represented their sides well. Let's begin the battle. An important factor for many phone users will be the speed and accuracy of typing and dialing. To compare the speeds, I'm gonna time me typing on both devices with one and both hands. This should give you some kind of an idea of the speed of typing. Since many keyboards have different key layouts and shapes, results won't be perfect, but this is made only to give you an idea. Maybe the physical keyboard is more accurate than the touchscreen, but you still don't have that half the screen. In many games, such as Angry Birds, you'd rather have a bigger screen than physical keys, which won't do you any help. This is also a factor with many applications. Reading on a tiny screen can be also a problem. Same thing with viewing videos and photos. If you type in multiple languages, it's not a problem on the touchscreen, since you can just move from language to language. However, with physical keyboards, you have to engrave letters in the keyboard or buy stickers. Since my phone here has both English and Russian, I sometimes get confused because there's sometimes as many as 3 symbols on each key. However, there is some bonuses to physical keyboards, such as electrical consumption. I find that my Nokia lasts much longer than the iPhone, since it has half the screen. The screen usually consumes a lot of power, while keys do next to nothing. I also find it hard to type on the iPhone in bright light. This is not a problem with the Nokia. It also has no problem in the dark, since the keys are backlit. A big point to the physical keyboard that I found is the grip. When holding the Nokia, I can put my finger on the keys without accidentally pressing them. It doesn't only mean a firmer and more comfortable grip, but also a lower chance of dropping and breaking my phone. Also, I can give the phone to someone without having to lock the screen. This is good when you're giving the phone to someone to talk without stopping the call or watching videos. Speaking about breaking the phone, what is more durable, a physical keyboard or a touchscreen? The touchscreen can get cracked or scratched, which can really bug some people like me. While the physical keyboard has moving keys, it's always better to have as less moving parts as possible, since they can easily fail. Also, a drop of water or few on the screen is not a problem, but if they get in between the keys on a physical keyboard, it might be a problem. However, the Nokia always feels a bit more durable in my hands. Also, what I like on this physical keyboard is how instead of swiping screens, you can also use the arrow keys in the middle. Also, I like the big call and back keys. The last thing you need to consider is if there's any good touchscreen or physical keyboard phones on the market. For now, the most popular phone with a keyboard is a BlackBerry. However, its processing power is nothing comparing to Samsung Galaxy S3 with its quad-core processor, and RAM isn't doing very good. And of course, it's really up to you, what you think feels better, and if you would sacrifice the screen for a better keyboard. In my opinion, the touchscreen is better. I don't type too much on my phone, and I would rather be able to watch videos clearly than type faster. There's just so many things I can do with that half screen. Also, the newest and fastest smartphones have touchscreens, and I'm always after the best gadget. Thank you for watching my video, and see you next time!